a universal connection cable, and then there's a quick start guide and a quick start cable connection manual. So all these PC connection cables and cigarette lighter adapters and some of the other cables are housed in here. So then you can buy the Vedis II without all these optional 316 or cables, but includes all the same cigarette lighter adapter, PC connection cable as we mentioned previously for the other one. Now we're going to be showing the Vedis II connected to this E60 BMW 530 diesel. Yeah, we'll just connect it here now. And you can see how fast it boots up. Now it's booted up and ready to go. So we have our vehicle diagnostics, OBD2, DOL mode, printer manager and setup. So we go vehicle diagnostics. Normally we just have European, USA, Asian and Australian. We have some test versions here. So we go into European, BMW. Then we have BMW diagnostics, BMW coding and mini. We'll be going in here, but in the BMW coding, this is basically for setting up special functions like the car key functions, central lock and electric windows, different things like that. So we'll go into diagnostics. So we have to decide if it's the F series, the newer F series or E series, so it's E60. And we have the version number. So now we have all the different models. Down here then you have equipment function setup. This is for doing calibrations or codings or various different special functions. For example, if you're replacing the battery, you go here, steering angle calibration, airflow sensor, park and brake. Well, this would only be for the newer F series, though it's more, as you can see. And you go in here for service reset, CBS service reset, and this is for the TPMS, and here to synchronize the DME to the CAS or EWS. We go up to 5 series, E60, and as you can see it's very fast to respond. So we can do a short test, which on this particular car it's very quick at doing it, or we can select by just going to control unit. For example, go to engine, it's connected already. We read fault codes. Just connect the transmission here as well when we're here. Again, it's in connected that quick. Fault code, no faults. Stream. So you have various different options for turn off this, for reading the data stream, activations, read adaptation value, clear adaptation value, chassis, stability control. Again, you see how fast it connects. Again, you have to select the sensors that are the readings you want to view. So steering angle sensor. So now we'll go into the body. So again, huge range of ECUs listed. So we'll go to the footwell module. Again, connect straight away. Read fault codes, no faults. Data stream, we can view data stream. We'll go to activation, central lock. So with this, the diagnostic tool is going to force the control unit to activate the locking. Wiper speed 1. So as you can see, it's very fast and has great coverage on this particular car. And in most cases we don't have to give any details of the vehicle, so we just pick E60 and we just come in to drive. Say for example, hit engine, you don't have to know the engine code, ECU version, whatever, and just hit enter and it'll automatically find the particular system itself. Like I said, this is in most cases. Some vehicles you do have to key in more details like year, engine code, and maybe there can be a couple of different types of ECU, so you may have to search through it, but in 70% of the time you don't. The tool will automatically detect the system. So now we can also do a short test. So we have, say, short test where it'll scan every control unit on the car, so we can do all control units by overall ECUs or by group. We go all control units over all ECUs, switch ignition on, press enter. But as you can see, it's very quick to scan through them. So now in that length of time, it's after connecting to every control unit on the car. We can see the results here, and if there is fault codes listed, we can choose the auto eraser, which will clear the codes in all the systems. So now we can scroll down through the ones it connected to. All the ones with OK, there's no fault code stored. On to the next page. We must have a fault in the crash safety module. We need to check this later. Okay, fault in safety and gateway module. And we can go back into the auto eraser, clear all fault codes. Just turn ignition off and wait 5 seconds. Turn ignition on. Now it's going to scan them again after it's clearing to see what faults, or if any, are left. Yeah, I'll just go through. Now we're okay with everything, all the control units come up okay, no faults listed. So that's about it for today, and thanks for viewing, and keep an eye on the YouTube.